Mnangagwa rushes to bury Air Force's first female general. Sanapinda mashoko obuda panapa vanhu vachikominda pamusoro pekuchengetewa kwakaitiwa the first Air Force female general zvechimbi chimbi zvakaonekwa kunzi people they've noted that the political brunch was scheduled on Friday was cancelled nekuda kwekuti this first female general must be laid to rest. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon tipita panapa munomubuda pamuchinzi. Monday died on Monday, just 2 days before Mnangagwa presided over the burial of two other senior security officials. General Intelligence Organization CIO Director Walter Basoko and the Brigadier General Victor Rugani at the same national shrine in Harare. In recognition of a historic contribution, the ruling ZANU-PF party has conferred national heroine status on Monday, making her the first woman in the Air Force of Zimbabwe to receive this honor. The rank of Air Vice Marshal is equivalent to that of a Major General in the Zimbabwe National Army. The announcement was made by ZANU-PF National Political Committee Machacha, who visited the family on Tuesday evening to deliver the news. The string of deaths, including several generals within a short span, has sparked whispers of a silent peg for the strategic sidelining of figures central to the post-coup realignment. While official explanations have often cited natural causes such as cancer or COVID-19, critics argue that the frequency and the political relevance of a deceased point to deeper tensions and the rivalries within the ruling elite and secret apparatus. In this charged context, the decision to honor AVM Mandela as a national hero is seen not only as a recognition of her service to Zimbabwe's liberation and state institutions, but also as a strategic move to reinforce loyalty within the military establishment amid ongoing power shifts. Domashko anobuda isanongorwa pamusoro pekurashiwa kwekuchengetwa kana kuvigwa kwakaitwa Winnie Mandela. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.